Hi, I'm Marissa Kaczmarek, head of new media at Photonics. I take care of online ads, social media platforms, videos, and online sales. Ever since I was hired at Photonics, I was very curious about the UltraSlim professional. So I booked 6 treatments. I have a body goal, I'm 5'2", and I don't like dieting. I'm a very active person though, and I've been taking dance for about a year, and I've noticed that my body has plateaued in the areas where I wanted to see improvement. So I decided on the UltraSlim treatment, and I'm very curious to see the results. So what is UltraSlim? It is a non-invasive fat reduction therapy that's patented frequency releases the contents of a fat cell and stimulates collagen, thus resulting in fat loss and skin rejuvenation. So does the UltraSlim treatment really work? Yes, it does. From working there, I have seen so many good before and after pictures with just one treatment. And UltraSlim is so effective that 98% of people lose those 2 inches in just their first treatment. On average, it's usually about 3.5 inches of fat lost per treatment, so it's worth going back. And no other medical device can guarantee this type of results, but the UltraSlim system can. So where can you find an UltraSlim provider in your area? I want you to take the time, join our Facebook community, and check out the links and comments below. Fill out an online appointment request form because it is by appointment and request only, but you earn your free consultation to talk to your doctor about your body goal. I've already talked to mine, and I will see you at my first UltraSlim treatment. Thank you so much. Goodbye.